Okay, so let's dive in a quick presentation of the tool we developed. So this is the first page of the API, which introduces the user that he's on the alternative investments that he can do with Moneom. So here are the 6 products we priced throughout the year. So we'll take the first one for this demo. I pre-filled all the fields in order to go faster. Sorry, because the time on this video is very limited. So we took this birth date, and these are all the information I want to plug in the API. So I will explain what the product is while everything loads. So the pré-viager hypothécaire, which could be translated into mortgage loan, consists, I mean, this is kind of a mortgage loan for elderly people that are more than 65. This works on the concept of mortgage, which means that the person will rent, will put a guarantee on a share of his house in exchange of money, and these are often at high rates like 5.4%, which is pretty high, and the person hence being given that amount and will have to give back that amount. But often this is not given back in money, but in that share of house that has been given to the loaner. So we'll take a burner email address such as that, and we'll see that we can download a PDF that sums up all the information required. This is it.